ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। સો આપણે આજે શું કરીશું? મેડિટેશન કરીશું. એ પહેલાં આપણે ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમામાં કન્ફ્યુઝન ના રહે એટલા માટે થોડી વાત કરી દઈએ કે ગુરુ તત્વ આપણી અંદર હોય છે, પોતાની જ અંદર, અને everybody is useful for different reason, for different people, different way. So when we say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, which is actually you are telling inside your own Guru, that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, because Guru is within us. Guru is a tattva. અને તત્વ બધામાં છે. એટલે કોઈને આપણે કહીએ કે આ મારા માટે સરસ કર્યું, અને એ વ્યક્તિએ કોઈ બીજા માટે સરસ કર્યું હોય, કે એ વ્યક્તિએ ઓપોઝિટ સામે સરસ કર્યું હોય. ઇટ્સ ઓલ આર ગુરુ ફોર each other. એટલે ગુરુ તત્વ ઇઝ વિથિન એવરીવન. ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમાના દિવસે બીજું એક મહત્વનું છે કે તમે જે વસ્તુ પર વધારે ફોકસ કરો એ વસ્તુ બહુ આગળ વધે છે. ઓકે, જેવી રીતે ફૂલ મૂનમાં જ હોય છે યુઝ્યુઅલી ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમા. સો જેવી રીતે ટાઈડ આવતી હોય તો કેવી વધારે આવે, એવી રીતે આપણા મનમાં વિચારો જે આવે એમાં આપણને એમ થાય કે આજે દોડવા જેવું છે મારે, તો તમે બહુ સરસ દોડી શકશો. તમને એમ થાય કે આજે મારે કોઈ ક્રિએટિવ વર્ક કરવું છે, તો તમે આરામથી વધારે પેશનેટ કરી શકશો. એટલે ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમાના દિવસનો મેઇન મિનિંગ એ છે કે તમને જે ગમે છે એમાં તમને રિઝલ્ટ મળે. બરાબર? એટલે ઇટ્સ અ વેરી ગુડ ડે ટુ પ્રેયર એન્ડ ચેન્ટિંગ એન્ડ મેડિટેશન એન્ડ એની થિંગ્સ દેટ યુ લવ ટુ ડુ. હવે આપણે રાજેન્દ્ર પ્રસાદ વ્યાસ ગુરુજી જે આપણને શ્વાસમાલા અને મેડિટેશન અને ચક્રા એ બધાની અંદર જબરજસ્ત એમ્ફેસાઇઝ કરે છે કે કેવી રીતે આપણી લાઈફમાં ઉતારવું અને કેવી રીતે ડેલી પ્રેક્ટિસમાં લાવવું. અને એમની જે મેથડ જે છે એ મેથડ પ્રમાણે આજે હું ડિટેલમાં તમને બધાને એક્સપ્લેન કરીશ વિથ માય એક્સપિરિયન્સ, એન્ડ હાઉ ટુ પુટ ઇટ ઇન અ પ્રેક્ટિસ, એન્ડ what is exactly it works, what are the real message for the Swasmala Chakra meditation. It's very important to know. Okay, so let's start with the blessing from him as well, and knowing that as we do Swasmala, what are the questions comes in the mind. So first of all, question comes usually, people do ask me that what is the meaning of the Swasmala, or why Swasmala, and how to do it. Those things always comes. Still, daily practice naturally give the result, but we must try to understand that. So our emotion has a very much connection with our breathing. And emotion means anxiety, fear, stress, loving, hatred, anything, whatever is that comes in your mind, those are all emotion. All the feelings about something that you like or something that you dislike, and that create fear, anxiety, stress, or loving, whatever the situation you go through in life. So as we do the Swasmala, counting wise our breathing, like as you inhale and as you exhale, count as a one. So let's see, you count. People sometimes they say I have 12, 15, 14. That is correct. That's fine. That's number good. Sometimes we have a high numbers like 20, 30, 40, 50, depends. It's gradually slow down and suddenly comes to boom extra, because we don't usually like right today in a practice, if we do the Swasmala practice, we might have the nice number because we are in a good environment and we are here probably a little calm or maybe one pointer focus for listening these things. So it might come quite slow. But let's say in your daily life, some things not working the way you want. And if you try your counting, maybe go up. Okay. So that's why what I do in my life, anytime I feel that little stress or something that need to change within me, or talking out loud or something, I check my swas. So when I breathe in and breathe out just a few minutes, I realize that where is the root cause? What bothers me? What exactly that need to work on myself? And that's how you bring your breathing down. So it's like sometimes every morning when people sit and do swasmala and count and feel good about it done, and they go for tea, or they just live their life routinely just because they feel that they done the swasmala. That's not what I'm talking about. The swasmala is something you stay connect with your breath 24 hours ongoing until you leave. Okay, there is nothing to master on it. It's something that check in within you. Okay, so as we do swasmala, sitting like this, so first essential point is for the swasmala is comfortable position, Gyan Mudra, breathing in and out, inhale. So as you inhale, everybody's breathing is different. Everybody's still breathing right now, even though I'm talking and you are listening. When you even do inhale and exhale, your breathing is always on. Okay, we just pretending to be go connect with that breathing, finding that કહેવાય છે ને કેવું કે આપણે સ્વાઈપમાં દોરો પરાવીએ તો કેવું એનો એ દોરાનું આપણે છેડું પકડીએ છીએ અને પછી એને પૂરવા ટ્રાય કરીએ છીએ. એવી રીતે બ્રીધિંગની અંદર we are trying to connect with that. Okay, so as you breathe in, deep breathe in until you fill your lungs. So you have to feel that you are filling in actually, because breathe in means you taking universe blessing, the universe connection with you, all the good positive vibration within you. So you want to fill in. You just don't want to just do or done. And as you breathe out, you want to breathe out those negative vibration from you, the ahankar, the something that you don't want it anymore. Okay, so that is what the Rajubhai Guruji was talking about. The breathing is so much important and essential in our life that we all have ahankar within us. We all have ego. I mean, jealousy, anxiety, stress, fear, everything is always there. So breathing will help us to manage that. When sometimes it comes suddenly, you think that, wait a minute, I shouldn't think that way. I shouldn't worry for this, like that. Okay, so Swasmala, as we master the Swasmala, practicing daily, we still need to do Swasmala, even though you master it. And the chakra meditation will help much better to understand, because the quietness is very important in your mind in order to connect with the chakras. Because as your mind is quiet, you feel peace. The quiet doesn't mean thought goes away. Quiet means you feel connected. Connected with what? Awareness. Because we all are aware within us. It's just a little cloud front of us that we don't see it when the time comes or situation comes. So sometimes people ask what meditation do. Meditation itself doesn't give you the moment you meditation for 1 month and you say, okay, I don't feel anything. No, it's not like that. If suddenly something comes up, you take the wise decision. That is meditation already help you. If something doesn't work the way you want, you're not going to go panic. You probably calm down and relax and make the decision what best for all of other people and you. That is the meditation is working for you. We are just thinking sometimes that, oh, meditation, that means it's a big something. I will be different when other people see me different and I'm like this and that. No, meditation, it's not that. No matter how much you do meditation and how long you do meditation, people maybe see you that you are a meditative person, or you might say that I'm meditative person, I'm different than others. That's not how you prove yourself that you are a meditation person. That's not the meditation meaning is. Meditation means you are just taking some time for yourself to know yourself, you're clean your own clutters and bringing out the wiser person you are. In that wiser person, when God says, okay, let's see, you are meditating for this much, all right, let me just give you some challenge. In the challenge come from anywhere, and that time how we act, that is the meditation result. If you acted well, great, continue meditation because there are more challenges coming. If you acted bad and if you think that, oh my God, I screwed up, that's fine. It's okay. Still continue meditation. And that is the purpose of the meditation. And before that meditation come help you to understand that level, swasmala, the breathing is much important because our breathing count is as less as much we are aligned with our own thinking, with our own anxiety, fear, and stress. That's why um, Swasmala daily, anytime you need it, it's important. It has no limit. So let's see, suddenly somebody calls and say that, oh, we are coming to your place. We are 10 people. You'll panic right away. So that time do the Swasmala and see what the panic come from, what things you need to get it done. Then slowly you manage that. Because as anxiety, fear, stress takes over, it's not good because in the longer run, as much as you have that within you, your energy chakra is blocking because chakra is all about stability, creativity, passion, power, loving, compassioning, good listening, communication. And when doing swasmala, when we calm, we understand all these chakras method. So Swasmala again, this is a number one comfortable position, the Gnan Mudra. Let's try to do that. Okay, everybody sit, please. And I'm going to time for 1 minute. Okay, and remember that you're doing the Gnan Mudra, sitting straight. If you need a support, most welcome. Go ahead and take it. Breathe in and breathe out. Count as a one. Slowly, deep breathing is important rather than depth is important. Deep, it's not like a longer, as long as you do the very deep. All right, ready, set, go, start. Okay, Let's open your eyes slowly, slowly. Bring both hands together. Put your warm energy towards your eyes. Don't press your eyes. Put everywhere else. Okay. All right. So I'm sure since we're practicing on and off all the time here on session, so numbers should be good. Everyone? Madhuben, tamara?
10.
10. Veena-ben?
3.5.
Nice. Hina?
7.
7. And Kinari-ben? Yamini?
12.
Okay. All right. So good. We are good, doing great in this area. So now think about it. If you have daily or 24 hours a day like this number, life is beautiful. Joyful. So
So when we more like do like Swasmala or listen to the breath more often in a day, it just calms you down.
yes, it's all about, it's not that you have to do it. Whenever you feel stress, go ahead and check that what's happening with you. Because breathing will go high because as you calm in peace and loving and caring, your breath is quiet and calm and slow. As you anger, anxiety, agitate, conflicts, upset, disturb, hatred, that time your breathing goes high. Okay.
Well, you don't even notice when you are stressed and angry.
Right. So you don't notice that, then that's why these are the tools that when that happen, like, no, how can they say this to me? Hold on. Immediately that awareness should come. Let me calm my breathing. Let me calm down. I mean, words come to words. We all human and we all are connected. That awareness needed. And that comes by practice. Because gusto jyare avi jai, when we get angry for something, we will not realize that ke count karwa jata rahiye gusto to avi જ ગયો. Right? So કાઈ વાંધો નહીં, આવી ગયો. પણ પછી જતું રહેવાનું કે ભાઈ મેડિટેશનમાં 1 મિનિટ માટે બ્રીથ ઇન ને બ્રીથ આઉટ. તો એ પાછા ગયા એ તમને યાદ આવશે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ ગુસ્સો આવશે ત્યારે કે મારે પાછા આજ કરવા જવાનું જ છે તો ગુસ્સો કરવો નથી. It's like ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો ને. This is very method. It is all about self awareness. This is like a tool. Counting, breathing is a tool. It's a સાધન. એટલે સાધનને જોડે લઈને ફરીએ તો આપણે આપણાને મેનેજ કરી શકીએ. આપણે જો સાધનને જોડે લઈને જ ના ફરીએ તો જ્યાં ત્યાં ગુસ્સો કરે, જ્યાં ત્યાં લવ કરે, જ્યાં ત્યાં હેપી રહીએ, જ્યારે ત્યારે અપસેટ રહીએ, જ્યારે ત્યાં બહુ કોઈને પ્યાર કરી દઈએ ને પછી કશું આપણું ધાર્યું ના થાય તો આપણે બહુ હેટ કરવા માંડીએ. આપણે સાધન વગર ફરીએ છીએ એટલે પછી એ તો આયા જ કરવાનું ને. લાઈફ ગોઝ ઓન લાઈક ધેટ. પણ જો સાધનને જોડે ફરીએ તો કયું સાધન? તો કે ભાઈ શ્વાસમાલા. એ શ્વાસમાલા આપણને યાદ કરાવે કે ગુસ્સો કરી નાખ પણ પછી શ્વાસમાલા તો કરવાની જ છે અને એમાં તને ખ્યાલ આવવાનો જ છે કે હમણાં ગુસ્સો કર્યો તો મારા 25 થઈ ગયા કાઉન્ટિંગ. ઓ માય ગોડ, ઇટ્સ નોટ ગુડ ફોર માય હેલ્થ. It's not good for my well-being. Why I'm angry? I can respond better rather than react. Because anything happens with the anger, anxiety, fear, stress, anything we answer other people, anything we deal with that's only happens because our emotion, because we're dealing with emotion rather than practical. The question makes sense?
Yeah.
કારણ કે
It makes sense when you say સાધન લઈને ફરવાનું બસ.
હા, સાધન લઈને એ ટૂલ છે, એને લઈને ફરવાનું. શ્વાસમાલા એ ગળામાં લટકાઈ જ રાખવાની આપણી, મીન્સ આપણા માઇન્ડમાં ઇમેજિન રીતે કે ભાઈ મેં 10 વાગે આવવાનું કહ્યું હતું ને 11 વાગે આયા. એ ઇટસેલ્ફ ખામ રીતે તમે બોલતા હોય તો ઇટ્સ ઓકે, પણ જો તમને હટી જતી હોય તમારી અને તમે રિસ્પોન્સ આપતા હો તો એ આપણા શ્વાસ વધી જાય છે. તો નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આપણને ટૂલ જોડે રાખ્યું હોય તો આપણને ખબર પડે કે આ વખતે આ સેમ વસ્તુ રિપીટ થઈ છે પણ હું શાંતિથી વાત કરીશ. એટલે ટૂલ જોડે હશે તો ટૂલ આપણને યાદ કરાવે છે. જો આપણને યાદ રહેતું જ હોય ગુસ્સે નથી થવું, અપસેટ નથી થવું, ડિસ્ટર્બ નથી થવું, અને ગુસ્સો જરૂરી પણ છે પણ એ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટિવ રીતે જરૂરી હોવો જોઈએ, ડિસ્ટ્રક્ટિવ રીતે નહીં. તો જો એવું યાદ રહેતું જ હોય તો ટૂલ્સની જરૂર નથી. then you don't need it because you managing. but until we manage that we need that. Okay, so this is about the Swasmala. So we covered today Swasmala, how important is the Swasmala. It's the essential factor, essential tools before the chakra meditation. But if you forget chakra meditation, that's all right, but don't forget the Swasmala. That is the main message I wanted to give it today. Because Swasmala will calm you down and will help you further in the life what exactly next you want to do. Because as you balance your emotion with calm and quiet, the situation comes to you and you can unfold easily. Okay, all right, now let's talk about the chakra meditation. Okay, the chakra meditation, what Guruji Rajendra Prasad has explained it long time ago, all the time and on and off, and something that I want to put it out together here is that why is important. Okay, so question થતો હશે બધાને usually કે ભાઈ what is chakra meditation, and we already have explained this here also. Chakra meditation is all about focusing on our energy center. There are 7 chakras in our body. There are so many chakras in our body, but major 7 chakras, and we are working on special 5 chakras. So the root chakra is important. It's a foundation. Root chakra is a foundation of, it's like a pillar. If root chakra is imbalanced, everything is shaky. Okay. So what root chakra does? The root chakra, its the color is red. Okay. It's the Prithvi Tattva. So the root chakra. So what happens if he's imbalanced? And what happens is a balance. Okay, that's the main thing people want to know. Okay, so when root chakra is imbalanced, how do we know? How do we know that our chakra are imbalanced? Okay, so chakra meditations, important is that how do we know our chakra is balanced or imbalanced? Okay, so root chakra is a Prithvi Tattva, is the red color. That's just we want to know. We don't want to know so much about it, but I want to go main focus on how do we know imbalance. So when your health is not healthy, when you're not exercising, and something it's sluggish for you, when you feel tired, when you feel lazy, throughout the day you feel sometimes on and off that happy, unhappy with your health, then your root chakra is blocked. Overactive, underactive, it depends on the situation, what you go through your body. But in order to balance, just need to exercise and walk on a grass. It will help. Respect your parents. Love the Prakriti. Okay. So it's very important for the root chakra to be steady. If that is not steady and strong, you feel insecure, unstable, unhappy, stress, fear. But if it's a balance, you feel healthy, happy, and strong. That is sitting all the way here, very close to your bone and spine at the end of the spinal cord. Okay, in the Swadhisthana chakra is little below the Manipur chakra and above the root chakra. What happens when it's imbalance? Creativity and passion. If you have a passion, and if you think you can put it through, because that Swadhisthana chakra mainly focus on creativity and sexuality. Majority time people have a very misconception about the sexuality. They think that is not good or don't like it or all those things. But reality that you don't want to be in too much. You don't want to think bad about it. You don't want to think about good about it. It is accept the way is reality. If it's not, that chakra will imbalance. The only difference how to balance is that whatever the sexuality relation that you have or go through in that direction, keep it as reality, means understanding wise, and use the energy to create something what you love to create, passionate, transform that energy to creativity. And that slowly you're able to understand that is needed and this is needed, and you will manage it better. Majority time, the people who are too much in sexuality, too much in alcohol, too much in addiction, they using their creativity energy in the wrong direction. But we cannot call wrong. We only can call wrong if it's too much. So that has to balance for using it passionately and create something that transform there. So that's how Swadhisthana chakra is for create something. Like when we create our kids, same think about that much power that chakra has, that we can create the kids with energy together. So think about how you can create individually the things that you love to do passionately. So when we don't listen our inner voice, we cannot find it what we love to do. So we neither in that department, neither in this department, we are not happy because we don't know. So Swadhisthana chakra, in order to balance, love yourself, love the other person, manage your sexuality properly with loving, caring, and tender and awareness, and create something that you love to do passionately. Now Manipur chakra. Manipur chakra is the power feminine name. Something is controlling others, controlling yourself. That's the Manipur chakra. But if you use that power positively, then you get respect from others. People respect you, people love you rather than disrespect you. Manipur chakra. Manipur chakra balance, you can do, okay, daily Surya Darshan, because it's you can have vitamin D from that also, and then you can get the Surya Prakash with your Manipur chakra. So imbalance is all about control, giving power to others. Any decision you want to do, you want to depend on others. You need approval from others. Each individual human being is capable of whatever they love to do. The power is within you. Now, heart chakra. So, heart chakra, its color itself is the green. Prakriti color is green. That means heart chakra's nature is loving, caring, compassion. Okay. પણ જ્યારે આપણને ગુસ્સો આવતો હોય, કકરાટ થતો હોય, ગમતું ના હોય, કોઈ પહેલા ગમે ને પછી ના ગમે, કોઈ પછી ના ગમે ને પહેલા ગમે, એનામાં ડિફરન્સીસ થતા હોય, તમારી અંદર મનભાવ થતો હોય, અટેચમેન્ટ રહેતું હોય, દુઃખ થતું હોય, અપસેટ રહેતા હોય, વ્યક્તિ વ્યક્તિ સાથેના સંબંધ જોડે ઈર્ષ્યા થતી હોય, જેલસી થતી હોય, હાર્ટ ચક્ર ઇઝ ક્લોઝ. All these chakra open and close on and off. But doing practice daily chakra meditation, your intention are to have the all chakra opens all the time. Until we have a clarity, we don't have clarity, then chakra can open and close, open and close. Sometimes overactive, sometimes underactive. Sometimes we love somebody to so much, we feel so great about, and suddenly after 6 months, some things happen, we hate it. We just don't want to talk about it. Heart chakra close. Every fear, anxiety, stress sitting in all chakras. Even like, dislike about relationship, also heart chakra close. Because whatever world has God has offered to us, it is a gift. And if we judge, criticize, does not accept the way we want, or we don't understand that they also have a power within them, and we still think that way, that they have to listen to us, heart chakra close. Because our perception is different than their perception. Our opinion is different than their opinion. We're not in their shoes. How can we decide what the other person has to do or listen to us unless they ask? So heart chakra, it's very important. Loving, compassion, what is it called? Karuna, it's open. નફરત, આપણે બહુ સેન્સિટિવ હોઈએ, આપણે આપણા સ્વભાવને એવું કહીશું, ઓ આઈ એમ જસ્ટ સો સેન્સિટિવ. નો, you cannot just put everything underneath the rug because you feel you're sensitive, so people don't have to say anything to you. You have to just name yourself, I'm so sensitive. એવું કહીને પણ જે કહેવાનું તો બધું કહી જ દે તમને, ખ્યાલ આવે? સો એ દરેક વ્યક્તિ પોતાના માટે એ સાધનો લઈને ફરે છે. આઈ એમ સેન્સિટિવ, આઈ ડોન્ટ લાઈક લાઉડ નોઇઝ, આઈ એમ નોટ સ્ટ્રોંગ. You can speak what others speak if you want to, because you speak where you want to, you choose not to speak where you don't want to. So we are living in duality. So the point is here, and as we practice more and more and more, you are able to connect what I'm saying today about the chakra. This is information, but it is my experience as well. So heart chakra, love, compassion, karuna, everything is there. We are using it only like, dislike, nafrat, gamtu, na gamtu, stress, anxiety, thayu, na thayu, autu, pela autu, pela aunotu. Tamaro intention count. Everything is there open. We just blocking it. As soon as we remove all those anxiety, fear, stress, like, dislike, power giving away to somebody, creativity, transfer our sexual energy in a creative energy, root, stability, security. It's already given. Everything is there. You just have to accept it. When we born, we are stable. Our parents carry us and give us a milk, house, shelter, life, and surrounding, and toys, and all those things. We are stable there. We are secure. We start walking in a way. But as we grow up, we feel insecure. So we are the one who putting everything unknowingly and then suffer. The throat chakra. The throat chakra blockage is that communication. So what communication does? The communication means listening. Because we can only communicate if we listen. If we communicate without listening, it is your past. Because our mind has a memory about the image of the person. All the time, whoever you're dealing with it, like it or dislike it, good or bad, good, nice connection or bad connection, doesn't matter. We all have an image of the people that we deal with daily life. Now in the past, what has happened with those families, members, whatever it is, and currently we communicate as of now, we have that image. So we just come to the conclusion and answer according to that, or stop ourselves according to that, or discuss according to that. But that moment that person talked to us, if we listen carefully and we want to reply according to that, that is communication. Not what they've been before, or not we wanted to say before, but we didn't get a chance, so we're going to tell now. Because every day is different, every day is a newborn. We waking up today, that means we have another day and we are newborn. Where the last time we talked and we didn't get it, so let's just tell now. It's just going away from the present communication, right? So throat chakra is all about the communication and also lying. Lying means lying to yourself. And sometimes lying to others. If lying is not causing any trouble to others and you, and if it's a good, what is it called? Intention are good in that, कि कोई नु बगड़ी ना जाए, then it's okay. But if it's anger, stress, anxiety, and something it's to wait for them, or I'm not going to bother them. I call them 4 times and I don't want to talk. And they'll call and I say, oh, bhuli gayi. That is all those things is purposefully happens. Then it's all about your communication, the way people do. And we all go through that, but we are learning it. All right. So far we did talked about communication, power chakra, heart chakra, swadhisthana chakra, root chakra. And slowly, as we meditate, all these things vanish and only pure purity comes. But with awareness is important. Okay. So as Raju Bhai has mentioned the method about the chakra meditations, we're going to walk through today, practice today. Okay. So everybody, he has mentioned it to do the petals. Okay. So we're going to work on the petals today. Gyan Mudra, comfortable position. Okay. So breathe in, natural breathe in. Go all the way to your root chakra, all the way deep, below the root. And we will say Lam. And then come back to root chakra. There are 4 petals there. We'll say 4 times as you breathe in. Lam, 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 Lam. Come back to warm beach. Warm. Make sure you breathe as well. Ram. Yam. Ham. Om. Om. Come back to all the way. We are doing 7 chakras today, so just go ahead and go all the way up to Om. Then come to Sahasra Om, Yagya Om. Then throat chakra Ham, Yam, Ram, Vam. All the way down. Lam. Then all the way down, Lam. Come back to Lam. Now there are deep breathe in as you do the 6 petals, okay? Thanks. Vam, 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 Vam. Ram, Yam, Ham, Om, 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 Ham, Yam, Ram, Vam, Lam, all the way down, Lam. Come back to Lam. Vam. Then Ram. 10 petals there. 10 times. Lam, Lam, Lam. Lam, Lam, Lam. Lam, Lam, Lam. Lam. Then go to Yam, Ham, Om, Om, all the way up, Om, Sahasra, Om, Agya, Om, Ham, Yam, Ram, Vam, Lam, all the way down, Lam, come back to Lam, Vam, Ram. Now Yam Beach, which is 12 petals. Yam, 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 Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hum. Om. Om. All the way up. Om. Sahasra. Om. Agya. Om. Hum. Yum. Ram. Vam. Lam. All the way down. Lam. Come back to Lam. Vam. Ram. Yam. Hum. 16 petals. Hum. 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 Om. 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 Hum. Yum. Ram. Vam. Lam. All the way down. Lam. Come back to Lam. Vam. And Ram. Just bring out as you breathe in. Let's just stop here. Breathe out from Ramvesh. Bring your both hands together. Rub it well. Put the all warm energy top of your eyes. Compress it. Go everywhere else. Okay. So this is we did 5 beach mantra. We'll just carry along the Om and Om. We did actually 5 beach mantra. Now Agya Chakra. Okay, I just want to cover all Swasmala, Chakra, Yagya, and Sastra. So let's talk about the Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra, it's sometimes people says that I'm going to open my third eye. It's nothing like that. It's not a here something that you want to crack it. There is ice sitting there. It's nothing like that. The time will come that you will see what is the truth rather than what offered to you. Because truth is there, truth is within you. So truth is not something you or I talk about in we bring out the truth, what makes sense to us or what makes a society or what makes sense that, oh yeah, I got it. It's not that is just the formality, living the daily life. And which is good because that's what the truth we know and that's what how we live. But when something doesn't make sense, then we think that, no, but I was right. No, but they were right. But the time comes that third eye will tell you that what is the truth which makes sense for the total humanity. Because relationship is all we made. Husband, wife, father, son, kids, friends, society, in-laws, parents, all are relationship. But with that relationship, there is a humanity in all of them. And because of that, the truth is according to what the scripture says, what's the truth that comes out from the knowing yourself, means knowing who you are. So if you are a spirit, and if you are an Atma, and if you are an pure and humble and caring, the other person has the same thing. So if I say that I'm a beautiful, other person is beautiful. If I say, oh, I have Atma within me, I know this, other person also has Atma within them, they know that too. The only things that you know your way, they know their way. The conflicts is happens right there. But everybody knows something. And once we realize that Agya Chakra, it's not block. But when we don't realize that, it is block. You see sometimes on and off here or there, but constantly stay in that mode. It takes time and it's a practice. And a Sahasra Chakra. Sahasra Chakra means I understand. I know. Not in the ego mind, but I understand. Once person realize that I understand all chakra, they work very well on it. They're stable, they're secure, they're creative, they're passionate, they have a power, fame, and name. Their heart chakra is compassion, loving, and caring. Their communication is more listening and towards compassion with other people as well. So I understand. When all those things is not there, how can we say I understand? Right? It's there, but not all the time. So our mind is playing game with us all the time. We all have that, but our mind is tricking us. So we want to make sure the mind doesn't trick for all these things comes here and there and making, judging and criticizing and being sensitive and being sluggish and sleepy and upset and unhappy and overindulgence on all the things that we don't need in our body. And the mind. Right? So that's Sahasrara Chakra. And Sahasrara Chakras, once it's, the message for that is, you see God in everyone, but how do you see God in everyone? When we have those 5 chakra is compassion, loving, caring, stable, secure, happy, powerful, creative, seeing everyone, God within them, since we are that, so the others are that, then that works. But then root chakra block or private chakras block. I mean, every human has a different chakra they bring to the world, different passion method they bring to the world. Sometimes people are very generous, kind, and loving, but they are still insecure. Sometimes people are very secure, but their creativity is not blossom. So it's all different for everyone. I cannot judge. This is just a guidance. Okay. Before we do Sahasra Chakra meditation for a few minutes, and then we move on, which is mantra meditation. We'll do that.
Creativity. So, for example, so if I'm doing gardening or music, singing class, etc., so that is creativity, I guess.
Yes, absolutely. That's why I remember you came one time and I said that you have this passion singing. Go ahead and do that. So you're transforming your energy. Everybody has energy. Rather than what should I do? Or આ બેન આ પ્રોગ્રામ કર્યો છે તો હું જઉં, પછી જઉં તો મને ગણતા નથી. એ બધામાં તમે પડી રહો. એના કરતા
Yeah.
what you have, put it out your way, that work that make you happy. See what happens
Right.
in reality in this generation, that people want to feel good about what others think of that. And he dumped me, or she didn't like me, he dumped me. Who are you to dump you anyway? Who are other people who dump you for what? Just because you're not capable of them, or they think that you are less than them? You have the power within you. You can bring your own creativity out. The people has to do nails and hairs and wear certain clothes just because people like them. Those are external. And when we depend on external people to like you and love you and feel good about, it will doesn't last long. Age after 50 plus, 40 plus, when people still think that, oh, they have that kind of occasion, I'm going to do this kind of occasion. They buy this stuff, I'm going to buy that stuff. Or they have that kind of cloth, I will get that. They have their furniture, I will that. So everybody depends on what other people approve them. And that's why they feel miserable, because they never bring out their own creativity out. Copy them, or you want to indirectly copy them. And those are all just waste of time. So yes, Meenaben, that's the creativity. We put it in a transformation mode that way, that you using your vital energy, your creative energy, your things that you love to do, which is great.
But what happens, or what is it that if it's balanced?
Balance, you feel strong,
Mm.
you feel stable, you feel secure, you don't have fear for something goes away from your life.
Mm.
If something is not there, you'll still survive, because you know that God has given you what you need, and God is supporting you for any step of your life.
Mm. Okay. And one more question, I wrote it down. Someone does chakra meditation, which is good, but if you don't do chakra meditation, but if you just do meditation, does it clear or help clearing all the chakras, like
Of course.
positive?
Of course, absolutely. If you don't do anything and just maintain your meditation 20-day quiet 20 minutes, great.
Okay.
This is what meditation is. There is something devotion and bhakti needed, and that's why meditation is the પગથિયું. મેડિટેશનમાં જતા જતા ખબર પડે કે everything is devotion, everything is whatever you serve, because we all are, in a way, we are all our servant. So કેવા servant કહેવાઈએ કે ભાઈ આપણી ઇન્દ્રિયોને સર્વ કરીએ છીએ, આપણી સેન્સીસને તો કરીએ જ છે ને. આજે આપણે સેશન પતી જશે, પછી તમે બધું ઘરે જશો તમારા ઘરમાં, અને કોઈને ખાવા આપશો, કે કોઈના કપડાની લોન્ડ્રી કરશો, કે કોઈ કશું કચરો વાળશો, કે કંઈક તમે પોતાની જાતને ખાતા પીતા હશો, કે ટીવી વોચ કરતા, કંઈક તો કરતા હશો. ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ કોલ સર્વિસ.
Yeah, some activity.
સો એ સર્વિસ જો છે જ, તો એ શેની થઈ? સેલ્ફ ગ્રેટિફિકેશન. એ જરૂરી છે, પણ એ ટુ મચ ના થાય અને એમાં પડી ના રહીએ, તો બીજી સર્વિસ આપવા માટેનો બધો જે આપણી પાસેનો એનર્જી છે, કોને કરવાની? તો એ ડિવોશનલી ભક્તિ થ્રુ આપણી અંદરના ભગવાનને.
Okay.
તો એ કેવી રીતે થાય?
that
મેડિટેશન
is-
કરતા
Okay, that is by
મેડિટેશન
meditation.
કરતા કરતા આપણને એ ધ્યાનમાં આવે, એટલે ધીરે ધીરે પછી મેડિટેશનની જગ્યાએ તમે મેડિટેટિવ બની જાઓ, because then you bring meditation with you. So how do you bring with you? For example, માનો કે તમારા હસબન્ડ તમને કહે કે તમે તમારા હસબન્ડને કશું એવું કહો અને એમાં જો કોન્ફ્લિક્ટ થાય, તો જે મેડિટેટિવ પર્સન હોય એ શું વિચાર કરે? ઓ ઇટ્સ ઓકે, ડોન્ટ વરી અબાઉટ ઇટ. પણ જે નોન મેડિટેટિવ પર્સન હોય, હાઉ ડેર યુ સે ધેટ ટુ મેડિટેટિવ પર્સન? મેડિટેશનને તમે જોડે લઈને ફરો, તો તમે કોઈની પણ અંદર સત, ચિત્ત અને આનંદ જુઓ. ઇફ યુ કીપ મેડિટેશન ઇન અ વન કોર્નર, એ તો મંકી પણ કરતા આવે છે. Meditation doesn't mean you sit in a corner and meditation and then you feel great. I'm meditative. I'm meditation. I'm a meditation person. No. Meditation નું ચેકિંગ ક્યારે થાય? કે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ કોન્ફ્લિક્ટ થાય, ત્યારે કોન્ફ્લિક્ટની અંદર તમે સામેવાળાને ખબર પણ ના પડે અને તમે એને મોલ્ડ એવી રીતે કરી દો સિચ્યુએશન કે બધાને આનંદ લાગે. સામેવાળાની અંદર જે આત્મતત્વ જે છે અને આપણામાં જે આત્મતત્વ છે એમાં કોઈ ફરક નથી.
Yeah.
એટલે આપણું જ મિરર કહેવાય. એટલે એવરીબડી ઇઝ અ ટીચર અને ટીચરને તો પછી ગ્રેટિટ્યુડને થેન્ક યુ જ કહેવું પડે ને. એની
Yeah.
જગ્યાએ આપણે કોમ્પ્લેક્સ કરવા માંડીએ. Just because our ego is so high, so we don't like the way they treat us, we don't like the way they tell us, we don't
Yeah.
like the way they use the language, so we attack. Instead, their method is different, it's okay. પણ once તમને એકવાર ખ્યાલ આવી જાય કે આમાં કશું મારે મેસેજ લેવાનો છે તો એના પરથી આપણું રિએક્શન બદલાઈ જાય. doesn't mean કે their message is always right એવું માનવું કે wrong હોય એવું નથી કહેતી. You of course listen to your heart and do what makes sense to you, but your reaction can change. Every meditation practice works, but આપણે અહીંયા આગળ આ આધ્યાત્મિક સેવા કેન્દ્રની અંદર શ્વાસમાલા, ચક્રા મેડિટેશન, આજ્ઞા અને સહસ્ત્રા એ ચારેયને ઓર્ડરમાં લઈ જઈએ છીએ આપણે. એટલે મહત્વ એ છે કે ચક્રા મેડિટેશન મેક સેન્સ ક્યારે થાય બધાને? વેન યુ હેવ અ શ્વાસમાલાનો કંટ્રોલ આવી ગયો હોય તમારા હાથમાં. કંટ્રોલ એટલે ઇનડિરેક્ટલી એને કેવી રીતે જોવાનું? શ્વાસમાલા એટલે you manage your everything. You manage your
Yeah.
anger, your anxiety, your fear, your stress, your clutter, whatever you have. Once you manage that, that is a swasmala. That means you managing your emotion. It is affect your breathing. So doing mala will help you to see how well you balance those. And એમાં કોઈ મેથેમેટિક્સ નથી, એ પ્રેક્ટિસથી જ થાય.
Practice
એવું
it.
ના હોય. It's just you practice. Because when you start writing yourself, you'll know how much clutter we have, how much compassion we have, how much love we have. Answer is within us, question is within us. Any question about that? So far, good? Chakra meditation, good? We just follow Raju's method here, right? In understanding why chakras, I explained very well what exactly I understood. And I'm going to make it out that way, how to see the balance and imbalance. And Agya Chakra, of course, it's all about something that I see rather than what others telling you or you telling. That's like કોઈ conversation થાય, any conversation happens, so one person wins or one person lose or both agree, either way, right? તમે કોઈને કાં તો પ્લીઝ કરો કાં કન્વે કરો મેસેજ કાં કોઈ તમને કરે, એમાં એવી ફિલિંગ્સ તો આવી જ જાય કે ભાઈ આપણે સાજા છે કે એ સાજા છે. એના સિવાય એવરીબડી હેઝ અ રિલેશનની બિયોન્ડ એક હ્યુમેનિટી છે. એને એના માટે જે અવેરનેસ આવે ને એમાંથી જે ટ્રુથ નીકળે, ધેટ્સ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. એક્ઝેક્ટલી. They all have their perception. So they can tell you also that, okay, no, wait a minute, how can you? So that time you cannot force, okay, yes, I am right. So ઝઘડો શેનો છે બધો? રાઈટ રોંગ નો, ગમતું ના ગમતું, લાઈક ડિસલાઈક, મારું
Yeah.
એટલે એ બધા ચક્રામાં છે અને એ બધા ચક્રાની અંદર કમ્પેશન, લવ, પ્યોરિટી બધું જ છે. એટલે એ પ્રમાણે એ વર્ક કરે. રાઈટ. હવે આપણે એક મંત્રા મેડિટેશન કરી દઈએ, બરાબર, વિચ ઇઝ 108, એન્ડ વિલ સેપરેટ છૂટા પડીશું પછી. મેથડ તમને કહું કે આપણને જે ઓરિજિનલ મેથડ છે એમાં અત્યારે આપણે નથી જતા 5-5-5માં. આપણે જસ્ટ ખાલી આખું સર્કલ મનમાં ફરીએ છીએ, બરાબર? કેમ કે પહેલામાં જઈશું થોડું લાંબુ થઈ જશે, આપણે ફરી વાર કરીશું. પણ મેઇન મેથડ તો એ જ છે કે વી કાઉન્ટ એઝ અ 5-5-5. રાઈટ નાઉ લેટ્સ જસ્ટ ડુ ધ yourself looking the whole universe. Observe your breath, okay? And if thought comes, come back to mantra Om, okay? Om. 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 everything, to everywhere from your eyes. Okay. Divine within me, divine within you. Namaste.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
તમને બધાને ગાઈડન્સ યા તમારા બેસ્ટ માટે છે.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બધાને, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. સોરી, મારું મ્યુટ હતું, ક્યાંની બોલ કરતી હતી પણ.
શું બોલ્યા તમે?
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
ઓકે, વાંધો નહીં.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
બાબો તમારો પછી લઈ આવજો આ બ્લેસ.
હા હા. યા. જય શ્રી
ચલો, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
કૃષ્ણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.